Well, hello folks, and welcome to another video. So in this video we're going to try one more test using the smartphone to record the audio. So stay tuned, see what we get up to. So folks, we're recording this video with my Canon Powershot S200 compact using its built-in microphone, and as you can probably tell, the audio is pretty poor. So what we're going to do is try another experiment using an external recorder. So it's the same as before, guys. We're going to use my smartphone. This is the setup I've got, and I'll just go through what we've got here. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S4, and I'm just using the Take a Talk app. So that's just sat on a little selfie stick with the smartphone holder. Now this smartphone holder has a facility for a cold chew, as you can see on there, guys. So this is my Boya MM1 microphone, and they actually supply it with two leads. So you get a lead which is TRS to TRS, which you connect to your camera, and this one is you got the TRS on that end to the TRRS on this end to connect to your smartphone. So that's the setup. Now in case you're wondering what this lead is, guys, this lead actually goes off to a power bank. No, I didn't forget to recharge the battery. There's a problem. I don't know whether the battery is just about exhausted, but even though you charge it up, as soon as you try and use the phone, the battery just dies. So we're going to just run this power bank through, but that's actually nothing to do with the setup. So what we're going to do, guys, in keeping, I'm going to record an audio and sort of compare the two with, to see what they sound like with the Boya microphone. So in keeping, guys, here we go. Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen her lamb, but I've never seen her bear. So that's with the camera's built-in microphone. So what I'm going to do now is set up and record the audio onto this. So just bear with me, guys. So folks, we're now recording the audio onto the Samsung smartphone using the Boya microphone. So I'm hoping it's going to sound good. The actual little chart or graph on the phone it's actually peaking quite high, so I'm hoping it's not going to overdrive, but we'll give it a go, guys. So there we go. Are we ready for this one? Mary had a little lamb, she also had a bear. I've often seen her lamb, but never seen her bear. So there you go, guys. That's the audio recorded onto the Samsung using the Boya microphone. Now I can see this probably a little bit cumbersome and a bit big, so don't know how often we would actually use this, but what you could use it for, guys, you could actually use it to record sound effects. If you wanted to overlay some sort of sound effects to your video, you know, you could sort of record the sound effects onto this setup and then sync it up in the audio. But anyway, guys, I'm hoping this is going to work. So I'm going to go now and edit this up. So what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to manually edit it up in what we're going to use. I think I'll use the Microsoft Moviemaker 2012 just to prove that it can be done without any flashy editing software. But there we go, guys. So we're going to just swap back to the camera audio now, just as one more comparison, guys. So just bear with us. So there we are, guys, we're now back on the camera audio, so you can probably tell it's pretty poor. But as I said, that setup would be quite nice if you wanted to record separate audio, you know, sound effects or something like that, which someone might try for a future video. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on another one. Happy Christmas!